In this video, we'll show you how we generated this AI influencer for absolutely free. From character design to consistent image generation and even turning it into videos, we tried all these tools to find just the right ones for you without paying anything. So, let's get started. Step 1. Generate a reference image. Alright, let's start by generating our influencer's reference image. For this demo, we'll use Leonardo AI, but you can use any image generation tool of your choice. Click the image button, enter your text prompt, and choose a model. I've selected the Flux Scaly model. Next, pick a style. For this example, I'm going with fashion. Make sure to select the image ratio. I'm using 9:16 for this demo. Once everything's set, click Generate and wait for the image to be created. As you can see, Leonardo AI has generated several great images. I think this one looks the best, so I'll go ahead and download it. Step 2. Generate consistent images. To make consistent AI influencers, we first need consistent character images. We're using Flux Playground, which gives 200 free credits. Each generation costs just 3 credits, so you can generate plenty of images without paying anything. Let's upload the image we just generated and add our text prompt. Then choose your desired model. I'm choosing the Context Pro model. You can explore other models like Ultra or Max based on your needs. Now, click on the 3-dot menu to adjust your settings. Aspect ratio, I'm going with 9:16 for vertical content. Batch size, I'll generate 2 images at once. Keep other settings as default and hit Generate. The AI will now generate consistent images of our AI influencer. And here we go, the results are amazing. You can even edit the image directly by describing any changes you want. I'm happy with this one, so I'll go ahead and download it using the 3-dot menu. Now I've created multiple consistent images for my AI influencer. Step 3. Animate the images. Go to Google AI Studio, head to Generate Media, and choose VO. Upload the image you just created. To animate it, you can enter a simple prompt like "animate this image." However, for more realistic and refined motion, I recommend reusing the original text prompt used during image generation. Choose an aspect ratio, again 9:16, set the video duration, I'm choosing 6 seconds, and click Run. Once the video is generated, preview it. The result looks incredibly natural and lifelike. To download it, just click the 3-dot menu and select Download. Step 4. Make your AI influencer speak. Finally, if you want your AI influencer to talk, you can use Hedra AI. After signing in, go to the video section. Upload your chosen image. I'm using the same one as before and add a voiceover. You can create the voice using tools like 11 Labs and upload it here. Click Add to Video. Hedra provides 300 free credits upon signing up, and each video generation costs 35 credits, so keep that in mind. The text prompt field is optional. You can leave it blank. Once everything's set, click Generate. And it's done. I followed the same steps for one more image, and look at the results.
As your AI influencer, I can help amplify your presence across social platforms.
Both versions look clean, professional, and natural. To download them, just hit the download button. So that's how you can create your own AI influencer with consistent visual, realistic motion, and synced voice, all for free. With AI influencers becoming a major trend across the internet right now, this is the perfect time to jump in. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.